So whenever someone sees a video of someone else on YouTube talking about making money, or in this case, making money on YouTube, they think immediately BS. At least I know I have. Oh, you can just create videos on the beach or on your laptop and you can make money. Well, what I wanted to do is I wanted to debunk the myth of if you really can create a video, or you can take your phone with you, walk on the beach, deliver a message, deliver value, and can you make money with it? Well, the whole idea of this video is sharing with you the possibilities, but also I want to demonstrate it, because this video right here, it may not be earning me money right today, depending on when you're watching this. A year from now, it might be. Because any video that you upload, once you get to monetization, meaning once you get to a place that YouTube will pay you ad money, you can start to earn money from that video. And I have a video right now that I shot on my other channel, Brand Creators, and that channel's just under 100,000 subscribers. But I have a video on there right now that I shot, gosh, I believe it's about a year ago, and it's earned about $8,500. It's added over 1,500 subscribers, and that's just from one video. Now, that one there, I wasn't walking on the beach, but I wanted to shoot one on the beach because I had a little bit of time, and I figured, you know what, why not share a message with, well, my subscribers on this channel, but also anyone else that discovers this video. Because I know there's a lot of BS out there. I know a lot of people are jaded because, you know, they hear people saying you can make, you know, $1 million overnight or hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that, you know, that to me, I don't believe any of that crap. Do I believe that you can create a video and make residual money? Yeah, absolutely. Now, if you have something to share, why not take your phone and just shoot a video and share a message? Whether you're here in Puerto Rico like I am, on a little vacation with my wife, who we're celebrating our 30th anniversary, maybe it's that. You know, I'm gonna take 10 or 15 minutes out of my day to share a message, and this video will live on and potentially earn money. But I also look at these videos as a way for me to maybe not directly make money, but in the end, it could make money because I'm building my audience. And that's something I shot a video recently about how to really chase building the audience and really impact versus chasing the money. So if you are thinking to yourself, yeah, I mean, I could take my phone and maybe use an Osmo like I have right now that I'm using to keep this thing stable as I'm walking on the beach. You get that, maybe you get a little lav mic like that, and you share a message or you answer a question. So yes, it is possible, because you're gonna have the equipment with you. You already have your phone with you. I'm using an iPhone 15 if you're wondering. I'm using the cinematic mode, and I'm using an Osmo 6, and I am using the DJI microphone. And that's it. That's all I'm using. And like I said, just sharing a message. So I want to go back to the video that I mentioned earlier that is still earning money, but also that has earned over $8,500. And I looked at it last night because I thought it was $6,500, but I wanted to double check before I shot this video. And yeah, that one video has earned, and that's just from YouTube ads, okay? And it's still earning around $50 to $60 per month from one video. Now, that one there, again, is not walking on the beach, but it could be. And because I'm here posting videos, this video could take off and it could become one of those videos. But if I didn't record a video, then I don't really have a chance. So I would encourage you, highly encourage you to try it. If you are sharing a message with your audience about something that they should know and you're on vacation, it makes it more real. I shot my first video here the other day. I posted it from my hotel room. I literally had less than an hour invested in it. And the comments already are so positive. So many people are just saying how much they enjoy that the video is not highly produced, that it's me being real. So I want to encourage you to do that too. I want to encourage you to be more real, to shoot the video wherever you are. Let people in to your world a little bit. And don't worry about it being perfect. You know, that's the other thing. A lot of people, they get hung up because they think the video's got to be perfect. Everything's got to be in place. Everything's got to be just right. I got to have fancy edits. You don't. All right? Now, like I said, I'm not saying that if you take your phone and you go on the beach and you walk up and down it like I am right now, and you have, you know, an iPhone 15 and you have the Osmo 6 and you have the DJI Lav mic, that you're going to make $8,000 on a video. I'm not saying that. But what I am saying is that you have the potential to create what I call video assets that can produce revenue for a very long time. It also can help build your audience, which then can turn into additional revenue streams. The one thing that I do is I build an email list. One way that I'm doing it right here with Live Video School is one of the biggest things that people struggle with is getting attention for their video. And the number one thing that you need to understand is good titles, okay? So this one here, if the title comes out the way that I thought it was and that I came up with first, it was like getting paid by YouTube for walking on the beach. Like something like that, right? It's a pretty good title, and it's true. I might even throw a little no BS in the front of it because it isn't BS. And a lot of people, when they see a video like this, they're going to think, oh, it's just BS. That person's not really doing that. You know, they're a scam artist or something like that, right? I'm the furthest thing from that because I'm going to tell you the truth. And like I said, this video was just a thought I had that I said, you know what? If I can reach one person with this message, if I can let one person know and then they do this and they impact their audience and then their audience buys something or brings their views up to where they can start to monetize, then great. Oh, and the point I was trying to make before about building the email list, see, I got a little sidetracked there, is I have a little download that I created, and it's basically just 10 hooks, because that's really what a title is really just coming up with good hooks, good titles. And if you want a copy of that, watch how this works right here. In the comments, just put hooks. If you put hooks in the comments, I will see it, and then I will send you a link. And on that link, or when you click on that link, you'll go to a page, and that page will say, hey, here's where you get your download, and then you'll put your email address in, and then you'll get the download. And then I will email you letting you know if my son and I do a live stream, if I have a video that I think will benefit you. That's really all that you're going to get when you're on that email list. You can always also unsubscribe as well. But that's what you do. You build a little email list. And when you do that, now you have another way to reach people. And that can turn into money because then you can recommend products like the Osmo 6, which, by the way, all these things that I just talked about, if you go in the description, you will see links. Those links, guess what? Little secret here. They're actually affiliate links. I'm always disclosing that. You would buy me a cup of coffee and my son if you went through one of those links and got an Osmo, or if you got the DJI mic, or anything that we have there that's a link. You're probably going to earn us a little commission on that. And you don't pay anything extra. It's just Amazon pays us because we're referring people to them for a product that we use, by the way, that I'm hand holding right now. So anyway, see what I mean? This doesn't have to have a ton of structure. It's just, I thought I would share this message with you while I'm here, again, celebrating my 30th wedding anniversary with my wife, which has been a little bit delayed because my daughter plays beach volleyball. It's kind of meta that we're here on the beach. Plays beach volleyball, and we've been traveling a lot with her, so we've been pushing it off, and we finally got here to celebrate it, and we're having an amazing time. So go out there and do it, right? Go out there and do it. If you want to watch the video that I just shot about chasing money versus chasing impact, which I think is a must watch video, I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here, and then you can go ahead and watch that next. And if you do, I'll see you there.